Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine videos using Max in CapCut. So I'm using CapCut for PC. For example, I'm going to add two videos here and I want to combine and how to just make this video as an overlay. Move up and then goes to overlay video and then you can click mask and just this one split mask. So you can adjust for position like this and you can adjust for scale in the first video like this and for second videos. So here we go. Okay, that's how to combine videos using Mesh in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and show. Thanks. Bye bye.